Hi guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in Sbi Clerk Mains April 2025. So question is given: a train can cross half of a platform with zero point 0.4 of its initial speed in 30 seconds. So and if length of the platform had been 3 times the length of the train, then the train could cross the whole platform with its initial speed in 24 seconds. Find the ratio of the original length of the platform in meters and the initial speed of the train. So they have given two conditions. Means they have mentioned a train can cross half of a platform with zero point 0.4 of its initial speed. So we will just note down. So conditions they have given. So condition we will write: a train can cross half of a platform in a platform with zero point 0.4 of its initial speed in 30 seconds. So condition they have given one train is there. So train will cross half of the platform in zero point 0.4. So before considering condition, we will just mention, consider some quantities. So here we will consider length of the train as EL, and platform also given. So length of the platform is P, we consider, and velocity speed is also mentioned. So speed of train will be, so initial speed they have given. So speed of train we will consider as initial. So we will denote it as V. So these are initial quantities we assumed. So length of the train is L, length of the platform is P, and speed of the train, initial speed of the train we will consider as V. So this quantity we have wrote down. So they have given, so condition 1 we will write. So they have given two conditions. If a train can cross a half of a platform with zero point 0.4 of initial speed in 30 seconds. So this is the work condition 1. So train can cross half of a platform. So length of the platform is P. So half of the platform is, half of the platform is P by 2. Train can cross half of the platform with zero point 0.4 of its initial speed. So initial speed is V. So zero point 0.4 means it will be zero point 0.4 into V. So speed will be, speed of train is zero point 0.4 V. So initial speed, and time they have given 30 seconds. So condition 1 is train will cross the half of the platform with the speed zero point 0.4 into V in time 30 seconds. So in the first they have given this one. So one formula is there. Means speed is distance upon time. This is the formula. So we will find here time. With according to time we will solve this. So time will be distance divided by speed. So and one more thing, if train crosses the platform, so how much distance it will cover? It will be a sum of length of the train plus length of the platform. If like this we will assume. So we will solve here. So this is the, for condition 1 they have mentioned half, the train will cross half of the platform with the speed zero point 0.4 v in time 30 seconds. So we solve this. So time, just I will solve here. So time is 30, distance is, means train crosses half of the platform, means how much distance it will cover. The distance covered will be length of the train plus length of the platform. So how much it is covered? Half of the platform. So it will be L plus P by 2. So time is 30 second, distance covered is L plus P by 2, and speed will be zero point 0.4 v. So we have wrote in terms of formula. So time is 30, distance covered is length of the train plus p by 2. So train is crossing half of the platform, so distance will be length of the train plus distance of platform, so half, so it is p by 2. And here speed is, distance is l plus p by 2, and speed is 0.4 v. So now we will just solve this. 30 equal to l plus p by 2 divided by 0.4 v. So now we will cross multiply 0.4 v into 30 l plus p by 2. So 0.4 into 30 will be 12 v l plus p by 2. So 0.4 into 30, just we can, 0.4 into 30 will be, so 30 means we can write 10 into 3. So 0.4 into 10 will be 4. So 4 into 3, 12, for just understanding. So we have solved by using formula, 12 equal to l plus p by 2. So we will call this as 1. So by using initial, up to here a train can cross half of the platform in 30 seconds. So by using this we have solved up to here. So next they have given one more condition: if the length of the platform had been 3 times the length of the train. So in second case they have mentioned, if the platform length is 3 times the length of the train, the train could cross the whole platform with its initial speed in 24 seconds. So, if the length of the platform is 3 times the length of the train, then it will cross the whole platform with the initial speed of 24 seconds. So, we will write this. So, in second condition, length of the platform is 3 times length of train. So it is P. So 3 times length of the train means 3L. So they have mentioned, if the length of the platform had been 3 times the length of the train. So length of the platform is 3 times the length of the train. Since we consider length of the train as L, so it is 3L, and P as length of the platform. So length of the platform is P 3 into L. And in second case, okay, then the train could cross the whole platform with its initial speed. So initial speed we have initial speed of train we have considered as v. So speed of train is v. Speed of train is v. Here in first case they have mentioned a 0.4 of its initial speed. So we have taken here 0.4 v. But in second case, train goes the whole platform with initial speed. So we will take v as it is. And here time is given with its initial speed in 24 seconds. So time is here 24 seconds. 24 seconds. So up to here we have solved. So and they have asked us find the ratio of the original length of the platform, and the initial speed of the train. Original length means p, and speed means v. So we need to find p by v. So original length of the platform and initial speed of the train. So p by v we need to find. So now we will solve second. For so we will substitute and solve this. So here time is distance by speed. Okay. So here time they have mentioned at 24. So what is distance? Whenever train crosses the platform, the distance covered will be length of the platform plus length of the train. So length of the train is L and length of the platform is 3L. So length of the platform is 3L and length of the train is L. So whenever train crosses the platform, the distance covered will be length of the train and length of the platform. So it is L plus 3L. And speed, so initial speed they have given, so we will consider it as v only. So since we considered notation as v, so we will consider it as v. So it will be 24. L plus 3L will be 4L upon V. So we solve this now. So 4 on the 4 6 so L will be 6V. So value of L is 6V. So up to here we have found. So now we will do value of 2, we will substitute 1. So 12V equal to the value of L is 6V. So 6V we will substitute in equation 1. So 6V plus P by 2. So up to here it is clear. So 12V as it is. From condition 2 we have found the value of L, and value of L we have substituted in equation 1. So up to here is clear. So we will now solve this one. So 12V minus 6V equal to P by 2. So 12V minus 6V is 6V P by 2. So it will be value of P will be 12V. So value of P is 12V. So in the question what they have asked us, find the ratio of original length of the platform and the initial speed. Means we need to find the original length of the platform is P, and initial speed of the train is V. So we need to find the value of P by V. So length of the platform is P and initial speed of the train is V. So we need to find the value of P by V. So by here only we can find. So it is multiply. So here it will come in divide. So P by V will be 12 by 1. So we can write it as 12 is to 1. So P by V equal to P here multiply. So it will come divide. So 12 by 1. So 12 is to 1. So our answer will be 12 is to 1. So ratio of length of the platform to the initial speed is 12 is to 1. So our answer will be 12 is to 1. So this is the way to solve the guys. If you have any questions, you can ask, you can comment in chat. Thank you.